Hello viewers, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'll show how to fix Facebook Lite message sent bar half showing problem. Let's see how to solve. Tap on Facebook Lite, then tap on this icon, scroll down, click on storage, then tap on clear cache. Open on Play Store. Search on Facebook Lite. Tap on Facebook Lite. Then update your Facebook Lite if available on Play Store. Now open on your Facebook Lite, then tap on message option. Open message sent bar showing full. Thanks for watching.